Hey, what's up everybody? Let's check out the new and improved MyFAK Large. This is the biggest bag of our new MyFAK collection, and everything's a lot sleeker, it's a lot more organized, the wayfinding's easier, and it's got a lot of cool features I'm excited to check out with you. Let's walk through this thing. So let's start from the outside and work our way in. So in the front here, instead of the larger, bulkier, weightier nylon straps for your MOLLE, we went through and did Hypalon front with laser cut MOLLE right here. Throughout the front, you still have the Velcro, so if you want to put your own patches on there, you can totally do that still. You've got your medical patch here, the little white cross, so it's easily identifiable. It's durable, it's not gonna fall off. The strap here, of course, we've added a loop up here so it's easier to grab. Moving to the back, you've got MOLLE straps on the back panel. You've got these guys to run through existing MOLLE straps depending on what you want to strap it to. Snaps down here. And then of course this whole panel is tear off so you can grab and go. This panel stays with whatever you have it connected to. This stays put. You can run off with this. And as you do that, you can do it a lot more comfortably with these straps here that you can use as a fanny pack. You can sling it messenger style. You can just throw it over your shoulder. It's actually very comfortable, nice, soft nylon material. You have the quick buckle here. It is adjustable for your waist, your shoulder. You do have your grab handle up here. It's reinforced double nylon, so that thing's not gonna tear away if you grab and go. No problems there whatsoever. It's good and strong. So you do have easy grab zipper pulls on these, double zipper, so it can go both ways. Unzips to the side, and this thing is really cool. It actually unfolds like a book with pages, keeping it super slick, organized, the wayfinding's super simple. So when you're trying to find something, especially in an emergency situation, your energy can be channeled towards that patient and what needs to get done and not wasted on where's this, where's that, I can't find what I'm looking for. This keeps it all very organized. You also have extra space in here. We've designed that intentionally so you can put your own meds in here, whatever you want to add to this kit personally. You've got plenty of space to do that. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna unpack this whole thing, kind of talk you through briefly what's in here, and then you can decide for yourself if this is your kit. All right, so you've got your tourniquet, your quick clot hemostatic dressing, 2 compressed gauze, so these are very small, compact rolls of gauze, a mini EPB or emergency pressure dressing, a gauze mod, all different shapes and sizes of gauze, 2 MPAs, 2 chest seals, 2 CPR masks, 3 sets of gloves. You've got the burn mod here, 2 of those. You've got the treatment and relief mod, so think of things like triple antibiotic, hydrocortisone, lip balm, things of that nature. 2 super washes, so both these are 2 ounces, so a little bit bigger than the usual 1 ounce. 2 clean and prep mods, so that's things like hand sanitizer, iodine wipes, alcohol wipes, things like that. 3 super skin packs, so that is our super skin bandages, so a 4-way stretch on our bandages, so all shapes and sizes. 2 blister mods, 2 medication mods, so a lot of the most typical over-the-counter meds like allergy meds, gut meds, headache, pain reliever, that kind of thing. A lot of those in there. You've got the hydration mod here. You've got a couple of 15-gram glucose packets in here. You've got tool mod, so that's like tweezers, thermometer, things of that nature. A couple of cold packs, 3 space blanket, your fracture and sprain kit here, so you get a couple of splints in there, you get an A strap, things like that. That's super handy. You do get a chem light in here, a roll of tape, 550 cord. It comes with 2 packs of zips, and then the mini wound closure mod. Finally, you get the first aid and survival guide. It's a stay alive guide. This thing's really cool. You can download that for free in here. All right, so again, we're looking at the MyFAK Large Pro. Biggest difference, again, the Pro, you're gonna get all the life-saving items, and then with the Large, you're getting multiple of certain items and then bigger sets of like the mods and some of the med packs. So make sure to get online, check out all our new lineup. We've got 5 new kits. See what's right for your needs and your lifestyle, and we'll see you out there. Take care.